In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft To Do tasks to Excel. Microsoft To Do doesn't currently include a one-click export to Excel button, but you can still get your tasks into a spreadsheet quickly with a couple of practical workarounds. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the one that fits your situation. First, the simple manual copy and paste method. This is great for a quick one-time export, or when you just need the essentials. Start by opening your Microsoft To-Do list in Outlook so your tasks are visible in one view. Select the tasks you want to export. You can click and drag to highlight them all, or use Ctrl+A to select everything in the list. Copy your selection with Ctrl+C. Now switch to Microsoft Excel. Click into a starting cell like A1 and paste with Ctrl+V. You'll see your task titles and some basic fields appear in rows. From here, adjust your column headers to match what you've pasted. Common choices are Task, Due Date, and Completed. Resize columns so everything is readable, and apply filters if you want to sort or analyze. Keep in mind, this approach focuses on what's visible in the list. Details like reminders, notes, or tags won't come across automatically, so add those manually as extra columns if you need them. The second method uses the email list option and then Excel to clean up the text. In the To Do app, open the list you want to export. Click the three dots in the corner and choose Email List. Depending on the size of your list, the app may instead copy everything to your clipboard automatically. Either way, paste the result straight into Excel. You'll likely see a block of text. That's fine. This gives you a clean starting point you can turn into columns. Use Excel's formatting tools to shape it. Adjust line breaks, set column headers, and if needed, use text to columns to split content based on tabs or commas. If you work closely with Outlook, note that Outlook may provide a similar copy option, which can be convenient for lists you already manage there. To recap, use manual copy and paste for a fast, lightweight export and quick column formatting, especially when you only need titles and dates. Use Email List when you want a tidy text snapshot of your list that you can structure into columns afterward. Either way, you'll end up with an Excel file you can filter, sort, and share. Save your workbook, and consider adding a date in the file name so you can track versions over time.